So what you guys just saw was a spot that I made for a fake pizza place. Completely fake business. I put together a bunch of shots of someone making a pizza, and then I made a fake logo to slap on the end of it and all that. Why did I do this? Now this is something that I can use to show potential clients who might be in the same business. And if you want to book more clients, you really should consider doing the same thing. Say a new pizza place pops up in your town and you want to approach them about creating a video together. You could go with strategy A, which is show up empty-handed and try to convince them of your filmmaking prowess. Or you could go with strategy B and show up with a dedicated example for them to watch and explain to them that this is something that you do and you could shoot and completely customize for their business. It's pretty cool, right? But the downside to all of that is the extra work. Finding somebody with a restaurant, booking the time with them, shooting and editing a fake ad that may or may not even work. Nobody has time for that. The truth is that I didn't shoot one single frame of that video. It was all stock footage that I got from Artgrid. And it saved me a ton of time. I was able to have a spec ad, or an example, ready to show a client in about 20 minutes from beginning to end. Artgrid reached out to me and asked me to check it out and make a review about it. And to be honest, I was kind of hesitant because I don't typically like using stock footage. I'm not a huge fan of like perfectly lit models with great teeth and like perfectly colored footage and stabilized shots with like zero depth of field. It's just something that's not gonna mesh well with the look of my stuff. And to my complete disbelief, I was greeted with a bunch of cinematic handheld footage that looked just like my stuff. I liked it a lot. But now came the moment of truth. How much was this gonna cost me? It was actually a monthly subscription, and I could go in there and download as much stuff as I wanted to. I could go in and get 4K clips, 8K, RAW, log, HD, unlimited downloads with a universal license. You name it, they had it covered. Which means I could use that stuff in my commercial work. So that was awesome. And all for under 50 bucks. But then still I kind of like thought, like, how many times am I actually going to use this? And then came the idea for creating those examples or the spec ads to show to clients and book more clients. So not only was getting the subscription gonna pay for itself, but then I could possibly make money on top of it. So I thought about the possibilities. I could now walk into any type of business with a solid example of what is possible. And without examples, you might not even get to the table. But if you have something to show, then right away they start to envision, how could we customize this video to suit my business? You know what I mean? Like, they're doing the thinking. All the work of painting that picture for your client is gone. It's done. So here's my honest review of Artgrid. First and foremost, I'm always gonna shoot my own footage, but this is a really powerful tool to have at your disposal. Now, if I'm looking for something, I know exactly where to go get it. I don't have any worries about the style of things and any problems I might run into with licensing or anything like that, because it's covered. It's guaranteed, actually. That's my commercial work, but now let's talk about how you can use it to spice up your YouTube videos. If you've ever gotten a copyright strike or a warning that so-and-so owns this footage and that the money will go to them, you're never gonna have to worry about that ever again. Or what if you're a talking head guy? What if you make videos in the comfort of your own studio and you actually don't get out to go shoot B-roll all the time? This is perfect for you, because now if you're talking about surfing, you could actually just show a clip of somebody surfing and you won't have to go out there and try and find it or rip it off of Google and then end up with a strike. So those are the benefits of using Artgrid, as I see it. I'm not gonna sit here and push this on you. Everyone has different levels of income, and I wouldn't want you guys to try and spend outside of your means or anything like that. If you do see real value in getting a subscription and leveraging it to book clients and spice up your commercial stuff like I did, then there's a link down below in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, and I'll make a couple bucks if you use that. And in return, you're gonna get 2 free months of Artgrid. If you don't see any value, no harm, no foul, it's no big deal. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on your way out.